Hello, and thank you for watching Accelerate with Nerdio. In today's video, we'll talk about creating a dedicated desktop. As always, please don't forget to check the comments section for any articles or links. So, what's our agenda today? First, let's discuss what a dedicated desktop is. Second, let's discuss what the golden image is. And finally, we'll go through a demo in the NAP of creating a desktop. So, back to the top, right? What is a dedicated desktop? So this is going to be a virtual machine that has a one-to-one relationship with the user. They exclusively have access and ownership to that desktop. It is not a shared resource that other users have access to. Now, what is the golden image? Well, the golden image is a template that you can prepare, and it will create that new dedicated desktop based on that image, right? So pre-installing applications, doing some base customizations prior to the user having access to it. Now let's jump in the NAP and take a look at how this all works. So here in the Nerdio admin portal, in my account, in the users module, I see my users, and I can see things like no desktop assignment right here under the desktop bar. I can see that this user has a stopped but independent one-to-one dedicated desktop, and the name is right there, WVD002. And then the rest of these are still no desktop assignment. So if I want to add a desktop for Chad, I would click on him and give this a second to refresh, and I would see my desktop options here. I would choose WVD, and we're going to go to dedicated desktop. And I would go ahead and select the size of that desktop. And again, this can be modified afterwards. So maybe start with something smaller and then increase as needed. Let's go ahead and use a D4SV3 for our example. I can select the OS disk size. 128 should be perfect. Standard SSD, I think that's perfect for now. And then we can also place it in a different region if available in the environment. And please see our on-ramp guide at help.nerdio.net for a better understanding of how to use that. And then I would simply hit save, and this is going to take that golden image template and clone it to create this desktop. And the process can take somewhere between 30 to 60 minutes. Once that's completed, you'll see that that user has a desktop assignment, much like our trainer user did here earlier. And it should be WVD001 or 3. It'll go in sequential order. Now, before I end the lesson, I do want to go to servers for a moment. I've said golden desktop image quite a few times. And again, we do have articles and a separate video on managing the golden image. But just a reminder that it's right here. You would simply power it on, prepare it, and then power it back off to set it as a template. And that is how you build dedicated desktops. Thank you again for watching today's lesson. And as always, please go to help.nerdio.net with any questions.